Hey, do you want to translate chats in seconds just like this? Well, you're at the right spot. Instantly translate WhatsApp messages into 100 plus languages as fast as rocket with Language Translator. Ready to translate like a pro? Go to the Language Translator website. You can hover and scroll down around the website. 100 plus languages supported through this extension. Lastly, click on download extension and add it to Chrome. Head to WhatsApp and hit on the Language Translator extension above. Tap to select the language from the drop-down menu from the 100 plus options. Click on WhatsApp option. Now you're all set to translate. Now hover your cursor on the chats and click on the Language Translator logo. You can see the process of chats getting translated in seconds. In the same way, you can translate messages into any language. No more of copy pasting, no more of language barriers. It's problem solved. Boom. Like, subscribe and share this video for more content.